Okay, this is the speaker I got out of the CLS500. I'm do a repair on the speaker. It was busted around the seam, the base of the speaker, all the way around. I guess the glue had come loose by the heat coming from the windshield. So what I'm gonna do is get some glue and go all the way around it. Yeah, get some super glue. I only paid $1 for the glue at the dollar store. And so what I'm gonna do is go all the way around it. Let me puncture a hole in it, in the top of it. Screw it on there. And be careful not to get the glue on your hand. You know how super glue is. It dries fast. So what you do is just go around it, the base of the speaker, all the way around it. Try not to get it inside the speaker, but just around the base of it. You're trying to re-glue it back to the frame of the speaker. Yep, back to the speaker frame, and just go around it. Put you enough around there. It'll just flow right up underneath it. Yeah, and what you do is get you something to hold it down. Not anything heavy, but just, I guess, a bottle or some type of can or something about the same size as that speaker, the rim of the speaker. So I found a hot sauce bottle. It wasn't filled up, but it was like half full. And so it was perfect. It wasn't too heavy, and I just let it sit there on top of it, of the speaker overnight. And so the next morning, there you go. Speaker repaired, and it looks good. Looks good. Don't look messy at all. It's not moving or floating like it was. It's secured. Yep. So what I'm gonna do is reinstall it. So here we go again. Take the speaker cover off in the center of the dash. Going from side to side. You got to be careful not to put that push too much up on that little pin up underneath there, because it will snap. You know how plastic is over time. So just be careful with that. When you get it up a little bit, just use your hand and pull it on up. Yeah, it'll come on up. And then get your speaker and reconnect it to the wire. Just one wire. Only thing you gotta do is just push it back up on there. Really. There's a wire there. Get your wire and make sure you put the speaker in there the right way. See how it was situated in there. Snap it in place. Here you go. And put your speaker back down in there. That's it, right in there. And get your screws. Kind of start them on both sides. Taking a while to get the screws. I had dropped one, but I got it. Okay, screwing it in there. One side in there, pretty good. As far as you can. Screw the other side. Try not to drop them inside the dash. That'd be another problem. Yep. Get your little tool. With your T25 on it. Screw it back down in there. And try not to puncture a hole in your speaker. So be careful with it. Don't get too nervous with it. Just screw it down. You don't have to torque it too tight, but just tight enough so it won't be vibrating or loose. Screw the other side down. Snug it. Good. Get your speaker cover. Kind of line it up even around the rim and just push it back down in there. In place, not too hard, just let it snap